your introduction. Right now we're in Wembley. Look at this thing.
Travelshortcuts. We're in Wembley here. As you can see. We're in the outlet section, and we're just exploring, man, with my Cody here, SB. And yeah, man, we're just trying to do some prep game for the little Spanish trip coming up, man. Done now. Birthday link up. Highly anticipated. Yeah, it's cool. Nice link up.
I'm a good you, but even so I know the ends. Came from Luanda, but born and raised in LDN. I got my close ones, so I don't even need new friends. I'll still be respectful, and for my sins I will repent. I know I'm a good you, but even so I know the ends. Came from Luanda, but born and raised in LDN. I got my close ones, so I don't even need new friends. I'll still be respectful, and for my sins I will repent. No cap, London was where I was born and raised. Learned the hard way from my mistakes, cause of this place I'm made from pain, but it's okay. No Superman, I'll save the day. With God on my side, can you relate? No talking kids, watch no time for face. Like most like reminiscing out late. How it used to be, a time where guys were true to me, and no females were using me. Don't worry, success soon to be. It's true to see that I don't trust girls, I DTB until the end. But she got bunda, so I don't mind if she bends. I know I'm a good you, but even so I know the ends. Came from Luanda, but born and raised in LDN. I got my close ones, so I don't even need new friends. I'll still be respectful, and for my sins I will repent. I know I'm a good you, but even so I know the ends. Came from Luanda, but born and raised in LDN. I got my close ones, so I don't even need new friends. I'll still be respectful, and for my sins I will repent. These man be talking about bandos, but what do you know but the banda? For my people I need to stand up. Won't forget about where I come from, fam. Came here for a better life. Chose to stay, didn't think twice. Over there I have no guys, only people who know my name. Which is mad cause people here only know my face. Them man think we're similar, but we are not the same. Not the same, but in God I'll put my faith. Even if I whip in the rave, I will not forget this place. I know I'm a good you, but even so I know the ends. Came from Luanda, but born and raised in LDN. I got my close ones, so I don't even need new friends. I'll still be respectful, and for my sins I will repent. I know I'm a good you, but even so I know the ends. Came from Luanda, but born and raised in LDN. I got my close ones, so I don't even need new friends. I'll still be respectful, and for my sins I will repent.
Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please. You can't take all the time that you need. I know that you worry. Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please. You can't take all the time that you need. I know that you worry.
It's views. Oh, it's off the ground. You won't believe what I really saw. I'm glad I'm back in 1964. Our grandchildren gone crazy, man. They don't fight no more, they'd rather get a blade to stab. I swear, they're all maniacs. Where did we go wrong? Don't it make you sad? And everybody in the world stressing. It's in a bad state, something called recession. What's that? Well, maybe I ought to mention that I got fired and I also lost my pension. None I give a damn, I don't really care. It wouldn't help a man stuck up in the wheelchair. They got this thing called the internet. And more women are just intersex. CDs, no one take cassettes. No respect in the community, it makes me vex. One thing that made me cry, what made me glad I west. That America finally seeing a black president. So you know there's cure to this pain. Let's keep hope in our eyes, cause sometime we'll see the change. Sometimes I wish that I could go back, way back into time. Time into back into time. Fast forward into the future, then pull it back and rewind with my time machine. I'm in my time machine. I'm in my time machine. I'm in my time machine. Take me where I wanna be. In my time machine. I'm in my time machine. I'm in my time machine. And there's a couple things that I should've said. Like 9/11, something that I could've been. We lost so many legends from around the way. Now good music just don't sound the same. And still the government tricking us, they have us now. And everybody's sick of having like a pound. They need a fix to turn things back around. They're putting chips in our wrist to track us down. It feels like the beginning and the ending. Almost every single woman's independent.
So Travel Shortcut, just finished a lovely day with my guy. Just gonna pay for that sad parking. And we're out here in Wembley. Just showing you around what's going on in London. You know, trip coming soon in like 2 weeks. So yeah, live to live, not live to survive. And stay tuned for the channel, man. It's gonna be a lot of crazy shit happening, man. Obviously, just finished getting a couple things. And then yeah, stay tuned, Travel Shortcuts. Peace. Man's gonna go in, bruh.
You know there's hope for us, although we breathe in pain. It's a sacrifice for the future to see the